going on, J.Max? Welcome back to my channel. This is J.Max Reax, and today I'm watching a video by Daphnique Springs that says when the Beehive attacks, Beyonce is the queen. Let's see what happens.
Okay. What's a bad movie that you love but everybody else hates? I'm gonna go first. Why?
Ooh, all the people in that movie was pasty.
I'm not feeling that movie at all.
Ooh, the blood, the fake fangs. I just hate the whole thing.
Soul Plane.
Okay.
I feel like it's a movie where you have to smoke weed to enjoy it, and because I don't smoke, I don't get it.
I get that. That does make sense.
I'm going with Big Mama House. Three.
Three. Yeah.
That was the best one.
I can't get past a guy in a muumuu, so it's not my thing.
It was Mark in the movie.
It's still a muumuu on a man.
You should be ashamed of yourself. That was the best one.
It was the worst one.
Yeah, and Mark was the lead character. He had the dress on and everything.
Mm-mm.
Way better than Medea. You have to admit.
The Medea?
Yeah.
I'm saying. Look at the sheep.
Fair enough. Okay.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Sometimes I am.
Okay. Anyways, next question. Who is an artist that everybody else loves but that you hate? I can't stand Drake. He always whining on the track. He always in love. Then he heartbroken. It's terrible.
I can see that. He is singing. He's being real light skinned. I don't like it.
Okay, I'm sitting here. I am sitting here.
You brown skin. We brown skin, bro.
Look at it. Alright, so I'm gonna say mine. I'm gonna go personally with Rihanna. Because I don't like the damn. Okay. I don't like the Umbrella song. Is that okay with you? Make me want to pick up.
Rihanna?
She's pretty. Dang.
Ella, it's brilliant.
Stupid.
Beyonce. I hate her.
No, she can hear you. Say it again.
Yeah, girl, the question is somebody that everybody else loves that you hate.
I mean, let's be honest. She's an okay singer. I mean, she does put on a good performance. And think about it, she is the worst actor you've ever seen.
Oh my God.
Like,
I'm in the best mind I've ever seen.
I'm part of the Beehive, you know. I'm a certified member. I get 5% off of all the CDs and all the downloads and everything. I don't want to be here right now. Did you not see her up on stage singing and dancing and you sing it? You a black woman, she black woman. You're supposed to be on this sport, this on TV. I'm a certified member of the Beehive, okay? You offended me, girl. Like, my feelings is hurt.
Ever since you put those little blonde in your braids, you've been acting like you part of the Beehive. You
I ain't part of the Beehive.
What's Beyonce's top 10 Billboard song?
I
See,
don't know.
you don't even know. Y'all not Beehive people.
I mean, I agree with you on the acting.
She wasn't even good in the Lion King. That was just her voice.
Yeah, but
Oh
you
my
can't
God.
disrespect the queen.
I can say whatever I want about the queen. Y'all queen.
Bet you won't say it 5 times in the mirror. My cousin, best friend, baby mama's boyfriend, said it 5 times in the mirror. He been missing for 2 years.
Facts.
Anyway.
That don't scare me.
She better.
It should.
I mean, it's just my opinion. I'm entitled to my opinion.
Now this one, you not.
Matter of fact, I'll say it 5 times in the mirror right now.
No.
Get her. I don't like Beyonce. 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 Oh, it's just something wrong with us. Still alive. Hey, where did y'all go? I told y'all nothing was gonna happen. I still hate Beyonce. Beyonce still don't do it for me. She never will. Period. Why y'all standing up looking over here? Yo, why you keep walking up on me?
I'm so done, bro.
I'm sorry, please. Okay, I love Beyonce. Why does Beyonce Beehive so many men?
Daphnique, what's an artist that everybody else loves that you hate?
Elvis Presley. He married a 14-year-old.
Good call.
What is this, 1910?
No. I love everybody. I just love music. I love everybody that has a fan base.
Oh Okay, so next question is.
A mess and a half. That was a good one. I like how she kind of played on stan culture, because that really is how a lot of y'all be when it comes to like your faves. You know what I mean? I stan people too, but not to that extent. I'm not finna kill somebody or go dumb and, you know, disrespect other people and say that they can't have an opinion of someone because you love them that much. It's so crazy to me. But this was a funny one. The title is what made me watch it, and I have not seen a good long Daphnique video in a long time. Everybody's kind of doing the shorts now, which is always funny, so it's easier just to watch them and just keep scrolling. But like, yes, make sure y'all check her out, her and her team of people, as well as so many other YouTube content creators that just make the best videos. And let me know what you thought about it below. Comment, like, subscribe. Until next time, peace.